Hello friends, this is Laloon Bunny and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be inking this pen that I have. I wouldn't actually say that it's new because I bought it last year, more than a year ago, and I just parked it and stored it, and it's just the day that I decided to ink it finally and use it. So this is the Pilot Decimo fountain pen. I'm quite confused sometimes with the nomenclature of the Capless fountain pens, but I guess it's called the Pilot Capless Decimo Vanishing Point, but I'm not really sure. And someone from our local Facebook group was selling this fountain pen, and during that time I was still in the accumulation phase and blue fountain pen phase. That's why I bought this pen, and this is part of the Pilot Capless Decimo 2021 Colors Collection, which is a series of limited edition fountain pens released in 2021, and it features different colors and finishes. And unlike the usual finish of Decimo, this limited edition has it features special finishes like hairline and anodized treatments, which add to the texture and visual appeal of this fountain pen. So, as you can see, I hope you could see the texturized finish of this pen, and as usual, it has 18 karat um, gold medium nib, and it is rhodium plated, as you can see. And I'm going to be inking it today and comparing it with my vanishing point. So here you can see I have two vanishing points, so the blue one and then the dark gray one, and top is the Decimo, and there's a really apparent difference in terms of girth of the fountain pen. So the Decimo is the slimmer one, and for me both are comfortable because my hands are small, so they're both comfortable to hold, both the vanishing point versus, well, the, I don't know how to call the actual vanishing point because the Decimo is also called the vanishing point, but I guess the vanishing point, the thicker one, is also comfortable to hold as compared to Decimo. And I have no issues also with Decimo because although it's thin, it's also quite weighted, so it's comfortable for me because I love weighted fountain pens as long as they're not really that heavy. So this is the 18 karat rhodium plated gold nib, and it's in medium nib. So it has the same nib unit as the thicker vanishing point, so you could exchange them, or yeah, you could exchange the different nibs with each other. So here I'm just showing the finish of the Decimo fountain pen that I got, and as you can see, it's quite texturized compared to the smooth finish of the other vanishing point that I have, and I really love it. It's like a texturized satin finish, if I would describe it. It looks like a satin finish, but it's texturized when I touch it. So I really love this pen, and it's really beautiful, and I'm excited to ink it. And here is how it compares to the other fountain pens that I have. I'm going to leave you with the rest of the video and some relaxing music, so grab your snacks, tea, or coffee, and enjoy watching. Overall, I enjoyed using this fountain pen, and I thought it was going to be uncomfortable because of its thin body, but surprisingly, it was easy to write with, and I can see myself using this fountain pen for longer writing sessions. Let me know in the comments which fountain pen from Pilot is your favorite, or do you also plan to get a Decimo for yourself, or you prefer the thicker vanishing point? Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to support my channel. Again, this is the Loon Bunny. Have a creative and happy day. Bye!